MG One Piece. Hindi namin napansin to kanina, ngayon lang. Let's go! Yes, Straw Hat. How much kaya per isa? It's 4,700. Monthly fee is around 4,900. And our Straw Hat is for 1,900.
Ganyan. Nakit naman.
Okay, so do you have this collectible wooden board for 700? Yeah. USB for 2,000 yen. Monkey.